in this lecture we are going to study our next topic, that is the total probability and Bayes theorem. These two topics are very important and very scoring topics, means in each year questions are asked from these topics. So let us start. So the topic now we are going to study is total probability. What is total probability? First we will understand it through the statement formula, and after that I will tell you many questions through which आपके लिए total probability crystal clear हो जाएगा. ठीक है, हम लोग इतने examples करेंगे that it will be crystal clear to you. Total probability topic is a very hot topic for semester exams. In each year one question is fixed from this topic. One question is if there is probability in your syllabus, तो एक question हर साल आपके semester exam में आता ही है. ठीक है, तो चलिए let us start with total probability. What is the statement? If events E1, E2 up to En be n mutually exclusive and exhaustive events, exclusive and exhaustive events, and A be any event which occur together with one of them at a time, then total probability of event A, the total probability of event A is given as probability of A is equal to probability of E1 into probability of A by E1 plus probability of E2 into probability of A by E2 plus up to nth term. ठीक है, this is my formula for total probability. Now we will use this formula to solve many numericals so that it will be crystal clear to you that how to use the total probability theorem for solving numericals in probability. Okay, so we will start with the first numerical. I will erase the statement so that I can have some space for solving this problem. So let's see this problem. A bin in a hardware store contains 125 bolts and 200 nuts. उसमें से 1/5 of the bolts and 3/4 of the nuts are defective. Okay, so now what we have to do? We have to pick one item from the bin and we have to find the probability that the item picked is defective. ठीक है? So let us start. There is this bin. इसमें क्या है? इसमें हमारे पास 125 bolts है and 200 nuts है. ठीक है, यहां से हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? अगर हम लोग इस बिन से एक आइटम पिक करें तो उस आइटम के बोल्ट होने की क्या प्रोबेबिलिटी है? तो टोटल बोल्ट इसमें कितने हैं? तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ एन आइटम बीइंग अ बोल्ट is equal to 125 divided by 125 plus 200. This is 125 by 325. कैंसिल कर देते हैं, ये हो गया 5, 1 and 5. This is 1/3. Means 1/3 of the items in the bin are bolts. Next thing, what is the probability of the item being a nut? The probability of the item being a nut is 200 nuts are there and total items there are 125 plus 200. This will be 200 by 325 or 8 by 15. With this problem, a bin in a hardware store contains 125 bolts and 200 nuts. Means कि कोई दुकान है, उसमें कोई बक्सा है, कोई बॉक्स है, कोई डब्बा है, उसमें 125 bolts हैं और 200 nuts हैं. उसके बाद 1/5 of the bolts यानी 20% of the bolts are defective and 3/4 of the nuts are defective. तो अभी क्या करना है हमें? We will select one random item from the bin and we have to find the probability that the item we have selected is defective. So let us do this problem. There is a bin having 125 bolts and 200 nuts. So what is the probability that if we choose one item from this bin, that chosen item will be a bolt? So we are finding that the chosen item is a bolt. This will be equal to what? कितने bolts है इसमें? 125 bolts है total, and total items are 125 and plus 200. This will be equal to 125 divided by 325. This is equal to 5 by 13. Next thing, what is the probability that our chosen item is a nut? So there are 200 nuts in the bin, 125 bolts, 200 nuts. So this will be equal to 200 divided by 325 or 8 divided by 13. So we have probability of bolt and probability of nut. Okay, now this thing is given in the question that 1/5 of the bolts are defective. यानी कि probability of an item being defective when this is given that it is a bolt is equal to 1/5 or 0.2. This is given already given in the question कि अगर item bolt है तो उसके defective होने के क्या chances है? 1/5. तो क्या है? Conditional probability that the item is defective when it is already given that it is a bolt is equal to 0.2. Similarly, problem of item being defective when it is a nut is given 3/4 is equal to 0.75. Now we will calculate the probability. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate that the item we have chosen is defective. तो दो केसेस हो सकते हैं, या तो हमने जो आइटम उठाया है वो